Okay, YouTube and the internet, it's just getting real now. This is a 9mm cobalt drill bit. Went and bought it today. Going to drill out the easy out, and I'm just going to drill a hole in the flange to match the gasket. Now, I already drilled a 13mm hole in the others where the other stud was, and that's probably a mistake. I should have matched that to the gasket and not the other flange, because the other flange had a flared nut on it. So I'm going to have to put washers, I think, on that one. But for now, let's drill a hole through that goddamn tool steel. This is going to eat it up. And then we're going to be done. I'm going to be finished. I'm going to put this exhaust on, and then I'm going to burn the car to the ground. Do the thing, get some lube in it. Already shit my face. Cooling and lubing. I can cop this, you piece of shit. Oh dear. It's harder than I was expecting or hoping. We are making progress, it's just slow. It's no longer making progress. You can hear it's just polishing. You can see the outline of the easy out. Maybe if I just tried to put a normal screw in the easy out, would come out now, because the widest part of it is at this end. May actually be able to pop it out. Yeah, it's pretty much doing nothing. I wonder if some sort of screw will pull it out now, because the easy out should unwind in the direction of doing something up. So if I can get some sort of tapered screw in it, now that I've taken a lot of the meat of it away, where it was at its widest when it was bound in the most, I may be able to actually pull it out. So here, I don't know if you can see, is a trim screw. If you look at the end, it's got a very heavy taper on it. If I can get that to bite into the easy out and get on the end of it, I should be able to back the easy out now that it's not bound in hard where it was at its thickest. Getting pretty desperate though at this point. Alright, here goes nothing. The theory's sound. I don't know if it'll work though. No, it's not biting into it. Shouldn't take much to back it out. Or if not back it out, just break it. You try flogging the hole out a bit more with the other cobalt drill bit, giving me less of the tool steel to get through with the big one. I don't see much choice actually. But where's the little one? So that drill bit is the same size as the one that's been through it, or near enough, because it was Imperial. But it fits in the hole. So the idea now is to just flog the hole out a bit if I can, because the hole at the moment is just in the tool steel. Where is my safety glasses? So we're just going to flog the hole out with as much of the tool steel as we can. Snap the fucking drill bit with an instant. But we did plug out some of it, so Let's go up one size. As soon as we're through the tall steel of the easy out, we're golden. Come on. That was it. That was the rest of the easy out, I think, coming out.
Don't really see anything.
Yeah, that was fully it, for sure. Try this bad boy again. Please tell me that was it. Please tell me that was it. Ow, ow, ow. Yep, that was it. We're making headway here. In fact, it's not even the good drill bit and it's cutting. So there's definitely no tool steel left in that. We're through. We're done. The easy out is out. Alright, let's get the good drill bit. Okay, we're just going to step this hole up slowly, stage by stage. Obviously the stud's quite hard from all the heat cycles and blow torching and everything as well. Size up. Oh, maybe. We can do it. Through. We mentioned how much I hate doing fiddly stuff with gloves on. Oh, maybe. My arms get a bit tired and weak at this point. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Burny, burny. Through with a 10. Last drill to go through this thing. This is a 12. This is slightly bigger than the hole in the gasket, so there's no point drilling a bigger hole like I did on the other one. Let's hope this goes well. Come on, you bastard, get through there. Woohoo! Ow, burning! Ow! Woohoo! Okay, job friggin' done. 3 bolts going in, no studs. Stupid studs. Friggin' hell. What a job! That's only taken 2 weeks. Let's have a look up here. No light. Can't see a freaking thing. There we go. So, 2 rusted studs gone. The original rusted stud is still there. It didn't snap. Job, light keeps going out. Job done. Look at that. Now we can fit the exhaust. We can actually fit the exhaust and finish this friggin' car, and then drive it off a cliff.